The most common question that I get from new drivers is, how do I know how far away I am from other objects around me when I am driving? So I thought, what better way to show you guys than showing you in this video how I determine my distance away from objects around me when I am driving. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another driving lesson here with your instructor. Now, like I said in the intro, in this video, I am gone. Teach you how I judge my distance away from other objects around me when I am driving. Because if you don't know how far away you are from other objects around you, then you can't judge your following distance. You, in-day judge if you have enough room to change lanes or make a maneuver or a lane change. So that's very important for you to know how to judge your distance away from other cars around you. There's 3 main ways that I use to judge my distance away from other objects around me. The first one is by using the 3-second rule. Now, I've talked about the 3-second rule in previous videos before, but if you're a brand new driver and you're just learning about the 3-second rule, basically what you want to do is you want to pick out an object that is stationary ahead of you, something like a tree or a sign, something that won't move while you're driving, and you want to count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. And if the car in front of you passes that object within 3 Mississippis, then you're following too closely. You need to increase your following distance. But if you see the car in front of you pass that object at about a 3-second mark, then you're following at a safe distance. And this is a great way to judge your distance from the vehicle in front of you. But you also want to pay attention to the vehicles around you as well. Now, the second way that I judge my distance away from other objects around me when I am driving is by using my mirrors. Now, when I'm driving around, I always take a quick glance at my side mirror and rearview mirror every couple seconds just to be aware of my surroundings. And when I do that, I'm looking for how close other cars are to me. And if there's anybody behind me, how far away they are from me. And this is a good way to check your distance as well. If you can see the front bumper of the car in front of you in your rearview mirror, then you're probably about a car length away from them, which is a good distance to be away from them. And if you can just barely see the front bumper of the car in front of you, meaning the top of their headlights, just barely peeking over the top of your windshield, then you're probably about a full car length away from them. And these are the kind of distances that you want to keep between the vehicle in front of you. And the third way, which I think is the most important way, is using what we call a visual landmark. Now, every car is different. Every car has different size mirrors. Some are bigger, some are smaller. Some cars are higher off the ground, some are lower to the ground. So it's hard to judge your distance off of just your mirrors alone. So what I like to do is I like to use the vehicle next to me or in front of me, the car in front of me, as a visual landmark to judge my distance. So as I'm driving along, ILL look over, and ILL see the car next to me, and ILL see the car in front of me. And I'll use those 2 cars as a reference point to judge my distance away from them. So as I'm driving, I am looking at the car next to me and the car in front of me, and I am judging my distance away from them. And if I feel like I'm getting too close to them, ILL, ease off the gas pedal and just slow down and let the car in front of me create a larger gap between us so that I can use that car as a reference point to judge my distance. So, those are the 3 main ways that I judge my distance away from other objects around me when I am driving, using the 3-second rule, using my mirrors, and using visual landmarks. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something new, go ahead and hit the like button. And remember, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.